Yo, it's your boy TechRam, and today this video is going to be on how you guys can get the unc0ver jailbreak. So, this method of getting the unc0ver jailbreak is quite possibly the easiest way to get it, which is working. You don't need to add a proxy, you don't have to clear web history, or you don't even have to turn off airplane mode. I've tried many methods like TutuBox, AppValley, TweakBox, Panda Helper, and many more to get unc0ver, but they're either too complicated, don't work, or run an older version of it. The reason why running an older version of unc0ver is bad is because iOS support is limited. So for me, 12.4.8 was saying unsupported because iOS 12.4.8 just got support on unc0ver 5.3.1, whereas on AppValley it was running 5.2.1, and so it did not support my device. I will be leaving a link in the description so you guys can see if your chipset and firmware is supported. Anyways, let's get into the video. So the first thing you guys gonna do is you guys gonna click the link in the description. It will lead you to appcake. So I already have it open here, and you guys all you need to do is click install appcake, and you guys will get a pop-up saying iPhoneCake.com would like to install appcake. Click install. So if you guys did notice before, there was a button that said I have jailbreak, and so essentially all that just means if you guys are jailbroken, you can use that. For me, I was jailbroken. I was trying to re-jailbreak with unc0ver, and I clicked the first link, and all it did was just give me a pop-up, and it worked anyways. So I would recommend using the first link and seeing if it works, and if it doesn't work, then I would recommend using the second button. But for me, it worked. Like, the first button worked. And I think it did give a pop-up saying download the jailbreak version, but I ignored it and I still downloaded it on the first link, and it did work. So just try the first link and then go for the second link. And so guys, if you do click it, then you guys will get the untrusted enterprise developer. And all you guys need to do is go to settings, scroll down to general, go to device management, click on, I don't know how to pronounce that, but just click trust, and yeah, you guys can click on appcake now. So just click don't allow, no thanks, and just click verify, and so it will prompt you to Safari, and you will get a prompt saying this website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? Click allow, and just click close, and go back to settings. Go back and appcake verification, install, enter your passcode, install, and you guys will be redirected to appcake. And all you guys need to do is just go to tweaked and just click unc0ver, and you guys will get an ad. Then just redo it again. So just go back to appcake, and then click the get button, and yeah. So you guys will know that it's downloading if the get is gray. So yeah, it's just downloading right now. And this process doesn't take that long. It probably takes 1 minute at the most. And because like you need to still download, extract, compress. Right now, as you guys can see, extraction is quite quick, and compression, I think it takes a bit longer. And it's just resigning right now. Give it a minute. And compression. So after compression, it will give you a prompt saying, do you want to install? Just click install. And yeah, just click install, and it should work. And so it's almost done, and it will take you might get it a little late, but just click install. And this downloads really fast, insanely fast, and you guys don't even have to turn off airplane mode or clear history and website data. Just open up unc0ver, and yeah, you're done. And if you guys are going to do unc0ver, just click settings. If you guys are jailbroken right now, refresh icon cache, and reinstall Cydia. Click done, and yeah, that's all you need to do. This is quite possibly the easiest method, as I said before. It literally takes minimal steps. Like, all I need to do is click jailbreak right now, and yeah, it will be done after that. I will be making another video, because I don't know how long this video is right now, and I don't have time to record right now. So yeah, I will be making another video on how you guys can jailbreak it. So but to be fair, it is quite self-explanatory. But yeah, I will be making another video because I want this video to be as short as possible. So yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys hit that notification bell. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace. So guys, we might have run into a little problem here. I did record how to use unc0ver, and yeah, the file corrupted. So I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna try memorizing everything off the top of my head. And normally this stuff is scripted, but for the first time it isn't scripted. So there is definitely going to be a lot of stutters. But I'm going to try and see if I can remember most of the points that I made in my corrupted footage. So I think the first thing I said was the success rate is much better with airplane mode. And I know I said that this method doesn't require airplane mode, but I compared it with just ignore what I said first of all, and then second of all, I compared it with another device that I was jailbreaking at the same time. And so that one was on Wi-Fi. I think that was on Wi-Fi. And this one, and the device I'm using right now, it was on airplane mode. And the one with Wi-Fi took 6 to 7 attempts. And then finally it worked. And for this, it took 2 or 3 attempts, and then it worked. So my point is, on airplane mode, the success rate is much, much better. So that was my main point. I think I said turn on airplane mode. Just ignore what I said before. But if you guys are re-jailbreaking, then it doesn't really matter, because I tried, and then once they were both jailbroken, I tried both with Wi-Fi, and they both worked on the second attempt. And then I tried with airplane mode, and they worked at the second. This one worked at the second attempt, and then the other one worked on the third attempt. So for re-jailbreaking, so if you already have City on your device and your device powered off because this is a semi-untethered jailbreak, and you want to jailbreak again, then turn on Wi-Fi or airplane mode. It really doesn't matter. However, for the other, if you guys are just jailbreaking for the first time, you guys don't have Cydia on your device right now, then I would 100% recommend using airplane mode first. And right now, as you guys can see, I'm on Wi-Fi. I'm re-jailbreaking right now. As you guys can see, I'm on Wi-Fi. So it worked the first time. So it doesn't matter if you're on Wi-Fi or on airplane mode when you're re-jailbreaking. My entire point was, if you're jailbreaking for the first time and you don't have Cydia on your device, then use airplane mode, as there's a much better success rate. And I think another thing I covered was that the success rate isn't that good either way, because it's, for me, I just kept rebooting, or like I kept crashing like on the Wi-Fi one. So I think the problem on there was the fact that if you guys are on airplane mode right now, and you guys are still, and it's not working in like 5, 6, or 7 attempts, then there's probably something wrong with the file. So just uninstall, right? So just hold on this, click delete, go back in appcake, and open it again. So it should work. If it shouldn't take 7 attempts on airplane mode, but if it does, then that means there's a corruption in the file. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. I think that's my second point that I made. If you guys are having more issues, then do leave it in the comments below. I will try and see if I can help you guys. But and the third thing I wanted to say is, if something happens to your device, I will not be held liable. Do this at your own risk. I will not be held liable if something happens to your device or not. Do you jailbreaking is your choice and not mine. If you guys choose to follow my steps, then make sure that you're doing this at your own risk. If something happens, I will not be held liable. I will try and help you, obviously, but if something really bad does happen, I won't be held liable, because this is your choice to jailbreak and not mine. So yeah, those are the 3 points that I did want to cover. So I'll just recap for the first one. If you guys are jailbreaking for the first time, use airplane mode instead of Wi-Fi. The second thing I wanted to say is, if you are already jailbroken, then you don't need to turn on or turn off airplane mode, or turn on airplane mode for that matter. It doesn't really matter. And then I think the third thing I wanted to say is like the do this at your own risk. And that's kind of all I wanted to say. Nothing much more. If you guys are having problems, if it keeps like crashing or something, then just, like I said before, restart, do it again, and it should be done. If you guys are new to the channel, then please hit that subscribe button, hit a like as well, and while you're at it, hit the notification bell, and I will be uploading a lot more frequently. It's just my editing software stopped working for a while, so yeah, that was a problem. I would have made like 5 videos in the making, but my editing software stopped working. I just tried to decide to make this one first, because I decided to put this one out first because this is probably the easiest video to edit. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace.